Good this morning. Good this morning. Everybody paying attention. I'm going to make this real quick. Had a great trading day today. Uh, Let me share my screen as always. All right. Before I get into that, if you're not already, feel free to hit the description and join the Discord. The link is in there. We're in there dropping the value every single day. I put these trades that I take directly into the Discord, all the things that I'm seeing in the market. I tell you play by play what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, what I'm thinking. So if you're not already a part of the community, don't be afraid to hit that description and hit the link provided. Let's get to the wins. Let's get to the gains. We did get to the knowledge. All right, so let me get into it. So today I took 2 trades on gold, 2 buys. Let me go over the strategy of what I do every morning, what I saw. We'll also go over the play that I saw on NAS, everything that I'm saying I did include in the Discord, play by play, what I was thinking, what I was seeing. As you can see, bearish tension on NAS. We'll get all into that. Let's go over the gold trades first. So as you can see, as you've watched previous videos, same thing, different day. The solid strategy is what I use, which is a strategy that I developed over the last 3 years of my trading journey. Been a professional day trader for probably the last 2 years, I would say. Been on the journey for about 3 as far as full-time trading. And my inception was about 2019 when I first heard about it, but about 3 years strong now. And I've developed this strategy, the solid strategy. So we have the 815 candle. If you go here, this black candle here. Move this out the way. This black candle here, as you can see, down below 815. Go up, that's this candle here. I'll mark off the open, which was here, and the close. I don't care about the wicks, just the body of the candle. So this green box is just outlining that candle just across the way. So at 8:30, which is this big white candle here, originally it faked out to the bottom. As you can see, the wick. I was patient. I waited. As you can see, we also have this area of support, this yellow box. This area of support where price was bouncing off of many different times. So I was patiently waiting for a possible opportunity for it to come down here and then bounce back up. But what I did do was wait for it to come above or open at the 815, and then I got in for the buys, targeting our value area high, which is the green line here, which is another part of the solid strategy, the value area rule, which is if it's within it, it's most likely to fill it. And we were already starting off at the mid-range, so I was honestly bearish on gold, thinking we might make corrections from hitting that all-time high. So I was kind of bearish, thinking that we might break this support, but we didn't. So once we broke back above the open, I was in for buys, and as you can see, currently gold is headed towards the all-time. I'm in the value area high. I'm out of my trades today, so that's great. But what happens after we trade doesn't matter. But when it broke back above this body, I got in for the buy. First buy here, right here, targeting this PLC, which is the point of concern, which is this orange line you see coming across the price. There's points of concern, points of interest. And when it came back down, I got in for another buy. We end the day with over 1,000. So that was it. That was a simple, solid strategy that I used. I didn't let my own biases determine what I would do. I let the market and price action determine what I would do. Though I thought we could be bearish with this trend here, we're breaking this original support I had early in pre-market session, which I did take a small pre-market session trade earlier this morning. Pretty insignificant, like $50. But as you can see, using this strategy, using patience, once we broke above, we got to put those buys. Now we're above the support, breaking above, we're headed towards this value area high. If I was still trading, I would want the price to come back to maybe this POC or maybe this POC before getting for another buy. possibly even lower, just to make it faked out and get the most bang for my buck. Also on NASDAQ, did the same thing. Here's the A15 candle, that small black body right here. Mark that off. Price immediately broke below at open. I had these POCs, these orange lines, tagged as take profits, which it hit almost all of them. I had that marked off way before it occurred, as you can see in Discord. So that was pretty much a lot of missed money if we would have got into that for 12 contracts and we waited for it to break this POC and we got in targeting the bottom. That would have been a possible $5,000 day. So these are all the possibilities that you are missing out on if you're not trading. So this is a very lucrative skill set. So if you're not already, as I said, feel free to share my screen. Let me go back. I don't know how long I haven't been sharing my screen. Seems to have been a while. Well, let me go back over what I was saying real quick. I'm not sure where it stopped, but I'll read it quick. We'll go back over the gold trade. Okay, mark off the body at A15 right there. It broke below originally, broke back above, didn't break the support, got in for the buys. Once it broke back above the A15 open, targeting these POCs, targeting the value area high, hit my take profit, got out with 1,000, I got with like 6, then got back. Once it dropped again, I ended another buy, targeting again, got out for another 4, ending the day with over $1,000 here on gold. Then on NAS, we had the same thing. A15 body, we marked that off, immediately drops below it open. Have our POCs as targets. It's almost all of them had we got in before it dropped until we targeted this POC here, the first one. And we got our take profit at the bottom POC. It could have been an over $5,000 day had we decided to do that, or here 4,800, whatever. But I'm not greedy. I like being correct, which is what I am most of the time. As you can see, gold is still going up from where we had our positions. Could have made another couple hundred, it's fine. It's Tuesday, I'm not really tripping. Had a great week so far. We do have some news later. Will I trade later? Most likely not. I will probably indulge in Asian session tonight. Besides that, I believe I'm done. I'm gonna take my kids to the park and I'm gonna go to the gym. Maybe go get a massage or something. Besides that, that was what I saw today on the market. We do have the dollar getting its ass beat. Bitcoin still getting beat up, but these are all people were very emotional when this happened. But these are all opportunities, man. You can't be you gotta know how to play the game. If you have investments, it may not look great right now, but investments are long-term plays. People don't understand that. But with trading, you can make money off a sale. If prices are going up or prices going down, you can make money. This is the skill set. Like I said, those were the plays that I saw today. That's the money we were able to make from the market. We'll do it all again tomorrow. So if you're not already, like I said, join the Discord. In there every day, giving out value for free. I have nothing to sell you. Never have, never will. So if you want to learn this skill set, learn the markets, join the Discord, spread the word, like the video, get the knowledge, all that good stuff. My name is Silis. This is Silis Streets. I'll see y'all next time.